Today I'm making a simple and delicious potato egg curry. Hey, and welcome to Easy Bite Cooking. If you love simple homemade recipes, this is the place to be. Subscribe so that you'll never miss any of my recipes. For the ingredients, you will need boiled eggs, onion, spices, coriander, potatoes, and tomatoes. I start by sauteing my onions. Cook until soft, then add my spices. I have curry powder, black pepper, seasoning cube, and turmeric. I'm going to add my tomatoes and also cook until soft and flavorful. Next, I will add potatoes in the rich tomato sauce and let them cook until they are soft. I'm going to add some water so that the potatoes can cook until tender and soft. Look at that. I'm going to let everything simmer together. Add my boiled eggs. And let everything simmer gently together. After 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to check whether they are going on well. I'm going to sprinkle some fresh herbs that will finish this comforting homemade meal. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if not subscribed. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye and see you on the next one. You can pair this with rice, chapati, or any food of your choice.